Most lawn care business owners think AI tools are only for tech companies. That's the biggest mistake in 2026. Because right now, small lawn care companies using AI are booking more jobs, responding faster, and spending less time on paperwork than everyone else. Here's the truth no one tells you. In lawn care, speed and consistency win. The first company to respond usually gets the job, even if they are not the cheapest. In this video, you'll learn the 9 best AI tools for lawn care businesses in 2026, and how they actually help you get more leads, close more deals, and run your routes more efficiently. Let's start with the real problem. Most lawn care owners are juggling calls, missed leads, scheduling chaos, and weather delays. Someone like John requests a quote, but by the time you reply, he has already hired another company. Now here's where it gets interesting. AI tools fix this by handling the fastest and most repetitive parts of your business automatically. First is AI chat assistants. These respond instantly on your website or Facebook page, answer questions, and collect job details even when you are mowing lawns. Second is AI call answering systems. Instead of missed calls going to voicemail, AI picks up, qualifies the customer, and can even schedule appointments automatically. Imagine Alex running 5 crews while no call is ever missed. Third is AI CRM automation. This connects all your leads, follow-ups, and scheduling in one place. It automatically reminds customers, sends quotes, and tracks every job. But here's the problem most lawn care owners miss. Getting leads is not enough. You also need efficient quoting. Fourth is AI quoting tools. These estimate lawn size, service type, and pricing quickly so you can send quotes in minutes instead of hours. Now let's talk about operations. Fifth is AI route optimization. This helps your crews drive less and complete more jobs by automatically planning the most efficient routes. Sixth is AI scheduling tools. These assign jobs based on location, availability, and weather conditions so you avoid last-minute confusion. Seventh is AI marketing tools. These help you create ads, social posts, and Google business updates that attract more local customers without hiring a marketing agency. In a minute, I'll show you the final tools that help you turn one-time customers into repeat revenue. Eighth is AI review management. These tools automatically request Google reviews after every job, helping you rank higher and get more local trust. Ninth is AI analytics tools. These show which services make the most profit, which neighborhoods convert best, and where you are losing money. Now here's the key takeaway. You don't need every tool at once. You need the right stack that removes manual work and improves response speed. The most successful lawn care businesses in 2026 are not the ones working harder. They are the ones using AI to respond faster, stay organized, and never miss a lead. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what type of lawn care business you run, and subscribe for more practical business growth strategies like this.